All right, it's Friday, my first weekend here in Medellin. Been here 3 days now. It's my third day, got here Wednesday. So yeah, about to go up on the rooftop and get some drone footage and maybe a quick workout. I saw some weights up there, so work that in. Check out the view today, it's beautiful out here. Go get it in, y'all. If all goes well, I'll be hooking up with prestigious physiques this evening and go out on the town, see what's up with that. So get some run some errands, need to get some cash, need to get a new SIM card for my burner phone, and that's about it until this evening. So some food, comida. Wow, just check out that view, y'all. Simply amazing. Breeze is great up here. It's a little warm today, but the breeze, it ain't bad at all. I'm gonna have to get up in these hills before I get up out of here. Yeah, man, this is just gorgeous. Anyway, I'm gonna try to get this quick workout in and get back to y'all. I ain't gonna do too much today. On here, the altitude kicking my ass. I didn't eat much the last few days. Making excuses. Should be no excuses, but and also I'm gonna do a lot of walking. That's gonna expend a lot of energy, so I'm gonna let that do. Skip the third rep. I'll get it next time. I got a lot to do, so let me get this drone up for y'all. That's just nerve-wracking every time. I don't know. I guess I don't fly the Mavic enough, but just flying drones, I'll be shaking. Same thing as before. Need something fast and good to eat, cheap. Scoop it. Crema?
Crema de zanahoria.
That's the soup today? Okay. Bueno. And avocate?
Avocate?
Yeah.
Yeah. Avocate.
Limonada.
Arroz.
Yes.
Ensalada.
Please. Gracias. Por favor.
Jugo. Limonada.
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 Yes. Jugo.
Mango. Jugo de mango.
Jugo de mango.
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 Wait.
Mango.
Mango.
Mango. Okay.
Mango.
Thank you. Gracias. I haven't been more than probably 3 blocks away from my hotel, 4 at the most. And there's lots of sights around here just in the general vicinity. It's a cool little neighborhood. Plan to venture out further tonight as time. Saw Más dinero y SIM card. Next order of business. This is super fresh. Straight squeeze tastes like. Or however they make mango juice. Jugo de mango. That's good. I guess it's chicken. Pollo, maybe. Damn, that's good. Here's the rest of the meal. And thank you, Life with David, for the tip on the dia. It's great. So all this is like $3 for everything. Where in America did you get all this for $3? Home cooked, like real food. All right, now I'm off to get some more staples. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, bien, ¿y tú, guapo?
Bien, bien. Yo necesito un SIM para mi celular.
Para el celular. Recarga.
Ah, una recarga.
SIM cards, yes.
Sí, minutos para el celular, sí, sí. Guapo, ¿muy grande o está bien?
Yes.
Bien, en las 70.
Las-
Para abajo, 2 y 2.
Okay.
2 y 2.
Two and two. Two blocks and
Two.
okay.
Sí.
Gracias.
Ahí afuera, en la calle, véndelo.
Okay, gracias.
Aló.
Y 50, 20 y 20, 40.
¿Qué pasó?
Gracias.
Gracias a ti.
Ah, porque ya está ocupadito.
Hasta mañana.
Hasta mañana, hasta la tarde, hasta la noche, hasta la night. Chao,
Adiós.
guapo.
Ya era pago.
Adiós, guapo. Chao, guapo.
Guapo. And I'm off. All right, I'm off to get a SIM card for my burner phone, which is a OUKITEL C21. I really like this phone. It was $108 on Banggood. I'll put a link for it in the description, but it's pretty good. 64 gigabytes of storage, dual SIM cards, or you could have a SIM card and a SD card. I have an SD card in here. I think it's 128 gigs. So plenty of storage for video and files like that. And yeah, it's a nice little phone. I mean, I like it. I mean, it doesn't have the same pixel density as a flagship phone, but I actually like the color rendition of this phone, like the video. Let's see here. The video quality is not bad at all. And who knows what they shot this on, but you know, you can kind of see what it does. But anyway, that's that. I'm about to go ahead and head on out and try to get that and some loot dinero. All right, y'all stay tuned. Here we go, another adventure. What's up, Poochie? Hola. La siguiente. La 70. So, blocks. So they said 2 blocks and 2 blocks. Get your block knocked off around here. Cellular. Hola, yo necesito un SIM. Claro. Ah, okay. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
5.000.
5,000.
Sí, 5.000, pero sin internet, sin saldo. La tienes que recargar.
Minutes.
Viene sin saldo, sin internet.
Internet. Yeah. Okay. GB. ¿Cuánto gigabytes?
Listo. ¿Para cuántos días?
Okay. 10.
10 días.
Ah.
Espera.
Hola. So I got my SIM card for my phone, 10 gigabytes, 30 days, 45 mil, which comes out, that's less than about $12, I guess, $13. not too bad. I had exact amount of cash. He didn't take any credit. So luckily I had it right on the money to get it. So that was that. Now I'm going to Medellin Colombia, get some loot. So my card keeps getting declined for to get cash for whatever reason. So I'm gonna go back and call my bank to see what the deal is and take it from there. Wash.
Yes. We have two options. In the rooftop, in the last floor. Or if you wanna, I can give you the number for the girl.
Stepping out again, see if I can get some loot. I would go to this bank. There's just too many people online. So I'm gonna keep it moving. Once again, my card got declined. And I don't know, I just changed my PIN, talked to people at the bank. They said I should be able to get my money. I don't know what the deal is. We're gonna try the next plot. Everybody and their mama is. See what happens there. My shit got declined quick. I don't appreciate that. We're gonna try Banco Colombia. All right, so it worked that time. So that's good. Hopefully I got enough loot for the night. 200 mil. Hopefully, it's like 63 bucks. 60 something bucks with the transaction fee. That should do it. I'm thinking, oh, let's come back tomorrow. All right, that mission's complete. Good deal, good deal. And we're back. Good to know that I can get my money now. All right, that's one less fret to fret about.